underscore Blazor series. In the previous video, I was implement all the base repository methods. So in this video, I am going to create the product repository. So this will be inherited from the base repository. So if I go to the Blazor web API project and go to the products. So product API accepting the product detail. So all methods are accepting the product detail. So I need the product detail and just uh, copy this and paste in the Blazor server detail. Just I have to update the references for that. Copy this and paste it here. So the references are updated. Now I have to create the product repository. So service and just click add and add new item. Now select the interface. Then we product repository. So this will be inherited from the base repository. So I have to just copy this and this will be inherited from the base repository and I have to first get the T will be the exact which is in this my case is the product detail. So as the references. Now as you can see that product repository is inherited from the base repository, so I don't need to describe all the methods of the product repository. So because this is inherited from the base repository, so this in the product repository we can access all these methods in the product repository. So I have just do the implementation for the product repository. Just move to the implementation and add class and create the product repository. Now this will be inherited from the uh, base repository. So it will accept the product detail. I can copy this product detail and add a reference for that. And also inherited from the product repository. So I will also add references for that. What are so I have created the product repository interface and was inherited this is inherited from the base repository and it accepting the T as it accepting the product detail in the angular brackets and If I go to the implementation, so it is accepting the T entity. So T entity is our product detail, and go to the implementation for that. So here it will accept if I call the product detail product repository. So I am passing the product detail. So in the base repository, the T entity will be the product detail, and here I am serializing this and adding in the content. So when request will be created successful, so one entry will be added in our database product table. So as you can see that I have just inherited this from the base repository and passed it to the product detail, and in the product repository I have inherited from the base repository, which is accepting the product detail, and I also inherited from the product uh, repository. So now I have to register these two. Just copy this, and first I have to register the I base repository, and after that base repository. So what happening with this? No, okay. I have to product repository and product repository. So in this video I have create the new repository, and this repository is implemented from the base repository. So you can see that I write one line of code here and two line of code here. So I don't need to write any other line of code here to do some activity. So if we have to create any other activity, any other repository, so same logic will be applied. Just like I product repository, so we will create the name of the repository and inherit it from the base repository, and the implementation will be same like that. Only the repository name will be changed. So thanks for watching the video. In the next video, we will create our razor pages for the products and do the implementation for all the methods. We will create products, delete, get all, and update and get by ID one by one. So if you have any question, you can put your question in the comment box.